Hi friends, Russell here, coming to you from the shop again. Got here is a 2013 Volkswagen CC sedan. It's a rarity because it's actually a manual transmission, a stick shift. It's been overheating on the customer. We did a water pump thermostat, some hoses on it 2 years ago. The water pump in this engine is belt driven and mounted on the side of the block. So I suspect possibly that the drive belt for the water pump is broken. If not, then we've actually got a sensor issue. So I got to dive into it here. I'm going to try and get the camera around so you can see where this water pump mounts and how much of a bugger it is to get into. And at least for today, get the cover off the backside and just see if the belt is there. So we'll get started. All right, so one of the first things I got to do is kind of get some of this stuff out of the way. The water pump is actually underneath the intake manifold on the side of the block. You know, I kind of really want to minimize what we take off of this, because I want to be able to, even if the belt is attached, I want to start the motor and confirm that it's turning. And you'll see what I'm talking about once we get there. And what you're looking at, that little screw right there, and that plastic cover, is the back side of the water pump. There's a drive gear on the back of it that's driven by a belt that drives the pump. So I've got to get that cover off just to confirm that the pump's being driven. And the reason I suspect the pump's not being driven is even when the motor was hot, when I would grab the upper radiator hose was not hot. I mean, it was warm, but it wasn't hot. So I want to make sure that the water pump's actually spinning.
All right, we got that screw out. Let's see if I can get the cover off. All right, you can see that's the back side of the water pump with the drive gear. The belt is intact. The cover will not come off unless that hose pipe's out of the way, and I really don't want to disassemble all that because I still think we may be dealing with just a sensor issue and we're getting false readings. So I'm going to bolt that back up and start testing some sensors. I got the cover back on, so what I got to do now is start the car up and let it get hot and then start testing sensors. So I'll pause the video for now, and then we'll come back once I've got it warm. All right, after running the scan tool and letting the motor get warm, I was getting faults for coolant temp too low, coolant temp too high, a fault for check coolant. We let the motor come up to operating temp, and the upper and lower radiator hoses were cold, or ambient temperature. They weren't getting warm. So that tells me the thermostat's not opening at all. If the thermostat was opening, but the water pump wasn't running for whatever reason, or you would still get convective heat flow, and that upper radiator hose would get hot, or at least warm. In this case, it's stone cold. Thermostat's not opening at all, and these systems don't have a bleed through type system. So I'm going to recommend to the customer new water pump thermostat housing, because on this motor it's all in one, as well as replace all the temp sensors just to be sure. Yeah, and the sad thing is, I say just, we did a water pump thermostat housing on this car 2 years ago, and it wasn't a cheapo water pump thermostat set. They don't make parts like they used to. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm just going to keep it real short on the diagnostics on this, and it kind of showed y'all where that belt drive for the water pump is. Taking the pump out is a bear, so I'm not looking forward to doing that, but I think that's what it needs. There's no other way to tell. There's no way to go into the computer and force command open the thermostat. There's 2 temp sensors in the car, which go in the computer. It only reads one of them anyway. Yeah, it's just, they're a kind of a nightmarish system on these motors. So if y'all like this content, go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications. And as always, there's more to follow.